Mr. Mr. Subhash, can you please
Yes,
tell
sir.
us about yourself?
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Subhash Gurke. I am from Maharashtra state in Sindhudurga district, and I am currently residing in Mumbai. So I have completed PGDM MBA in finance from Wellington Institute of Management in 2022, and I have completed my bachelor degree in LS Raja College of Santa Cruz in Mumbai University in 2016. Talking about my family background, my family consists of four members. My mother is the homemaker, and my father who was work in a private company, private security agency. He has now taken as a retirement, and my elder brother is working in a private company, and me. Okay, talking about my job profile. I have a current 6 years of experience credit underwriting. So I am currently working in Axis Bank as a deputy manager in personal underwriting. I am currently handling personal loan appraisal, personal credit appraisal, and my sanction authority is 40 lakh.
Yeah, very good. So you are a fresher as far as scale one only you are
No,
going
sir.
to
I
go.
have I have total 6 years of experience in credit underwriting. I'm going for a UBI credit manager interview.
UBA credit manager. Oh, Baba. Oh, oh.
Yes, sir.
Which date is your interview?
My date is 18th, sir.
Oh, you have time. But then,
Yes, sir.
today's postings in our group, PNB group, lot of postings
Yes,
are
sir. I
come.
saw your message.
Now,
Correct, sir. Correct.
what are you going to do to get the certificate that you have been working in credit
But
for
I have,
six?
sir. I have. Okay, sir. But I have retail segment experience because I have this personal or credit appraisal experience. I don't have MSME and corporate credit experience.
Then it will be a negative point, huh? Because they are
But
saying
sir,
no. They are saying no for such people. Many people have been sent out from Mumbai. Lot of people have been sent
okay.
out. Even in Bangalore, they have sent out of 37 people out because they did not have credit exposure.
But they not considering retail credit experience because I have 6 years of experience in retail segment.
Okay, you try it that way. Okay,
Okay.
you try
Okay,
it
sir.
that way. But then actually, what they need is people who have done work in branch banking or at least MSME sanctioning and all that. They want you to have dealt with
Okay.
proposals up to 2 crores, 5 crores, and all that.
Okay, but currently I'm handling 50 lakh is my sanction authority in personal underwriting, personal
The,
exposure.
yeah, you are going to tell that, but you try to see how whether they are impressed by this. Maybe
But
they will be,
sir, as per the
maybe
notice,
they will be impressed because one girl was permitted. She has been in
okay,
ICICI Bank. She was permitted to attend the
okay.
interview today, but though she did not have,
She was working currently working in a retail loan only.
she is only in some retail loans and other things only, not very much into MSME.
Okay.
They
So
agreed.
we need to
They
I need
ag-
to
they
share
ag-
this
they
update.
agree. They agreed because mm, she has got experience in credit proposal, something like that. They agreed, and they permitted her to attend the interview. But mark how much they will give, I don't know. You understand?
Okay, but at least वो attempt करने के लिए तो दे रहे हैं interview. That is
Yeah,
my question,
I
sir.
think they will permit.
Because attempt
I
करने के
think
लिए देना.
mostly they will permit if you give a declaration that you have more than 6 years experience in credit.
Yes, I have total 6 years of experience, but I am currently I have last 2 years working in Axis Bank. Before that, I was working in Kotak Mahindra Bank.
कोटक
So
महिंद्रा
total
में
6 years experience.
कोटक महिंद्रा में क्या क्या
Personal loan.
प्रपोजल्स? ओनली पर्सनल लोन?
So yes, sir. Personal loan, credit card underwriting, and personal loan.
ओहो, but this is what you can see. You cannot tell a lie. You can't tell them you have MSME experience and all. That's not going to help us. You
Okay,
tell like this. Let us see
correct,
if
sir.
they permit, you can attend.
Correct, sir.
Good. Let us speak the truth only, not false.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Good. What is your father?
My father is a retired. He is working in a private security company. He has took retirement.
Mhm. Acha, what is
He's
your mother?
62 years old.
Mother.
Mother is a homemaker, sir.
How many siblings you have?
I have two siblings.
What are they
My
doing?
elder brother is uh, my elder brother is doing working in a private company. It's an insurance company, and younger brother is doing studies.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Now, are you not happy in Axis Bank? क्या problem है आप? Accepting salary.
I'm no, sir. But in a private sector, we know इतना लिमिटेड एक्सपोजर मिलता है सीखने के लिए. एंड इन पब्लिक सेक्टर में ऐसा मतलब लिमिटेड है, जो अनलिमिटेड जो एक्सपोजर सीखने के लिए मिलता है ना, अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी मिलते हैं कि एक्सप्लोर
हाँ,
करो, मतलब हाँ लोकेशन में जाने के लिए मिलता है.
good. A good point. It is a very good point you told. Very good. आपने CJAB एग्जाम कुछ पढ़ा है?
नहीं सर, मैं जेआईबी वगैरह प्राइवेट में नहीं किया.
नहीं किया, कोई बात नहीं. No problem. Good. So what is it that you like very much in Subhash Gurkhe?
सुभाष गुरखे.
हम्म. सुभाष गुरके के पास में क्या पॉइंट्स आपको बहुत पसंद था?
ओके सर, आई एम हार्ड
No,
वर्किंग
no.
बॉयज, हार्ड
Hmm,
वर्किंग विथ
hmm, hmm,
हार्ड वर्किंग विथ पॉजिटिव एप्टीट्यूड. और
good.
आई एम सेल्फ एंड honest.
Hmm,
Self honest.
hmm.
That
थोड़ा और भी अच्छा बात बोलना है जी आपके बारे में.
okay sir.
अभी किसी शादी हो गया?
नहीं सर, अनमैरिड हूँ, सिंगल.
तब तो शादी करने के लिए कोई आदमी आके आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, अरे भाई आपका बारे में अच्छा बात बताओ, तब तो क्या बात बोलेंगे आप?
करेक्ट सर.
बोलो. सीरियस क्वेश्चन.
Okay sir. Sir, I am a self-motivated boy with positive aptitude. I am currently working in Axis Bank. I have a total 8 years of experience in banking sector, and I have done MBA in finance.
Good. Now please tell me, what are the three golden rules of bookkeeping?
Golden rule.
Hmm.
There is a debit the receiver, credit the giver.
Hmm.
The first rule. Second was debit was comes in, credit was goes out.
Hmm.
Uh, third one is all profit and income. Uh, Third one is all profit, expenditure, and third one I'm unable to recall.
Debit all expenses and losses. Credit all incomes
Okay,
and gains. Credit all incomes and
gains.
gains. Good.
This is the third one, right, sir?
या थर्ड वन. उसका पहले आपने ये भी
Okay, sir.
बताना है, अकाउंट्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू थ्री फोल्ड. वन इज
Personal loan,
पर्सनल अकाउंट, रियल अकाउंट एंड नॉमिनल अकाउंट.
nominal account. Correct, sir.
ये क्लियरली बोलना है. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Mm, what is a cash credit account?
Cash credit account.
Mm,
So basically, cash credit account जो customer is a like current account
mm.
is similar as current account. तो
No,
जो बिजनेसमैन रहते हैं वो
mm,
बिजनेस मैन मतलब वो कैश क्रेडिट अकाउंट में लिमिट नहीं रहता है वो मतलब हाउ मेनी टाइम्स ऑफ विड्रॉ और डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं और उस पे बैंक इंटरेस्ट नहीं चार्ज करती है.
mm. No, 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 no. I think you are not able to tell that clearly. Please try again, once again. What is a cash credit account? आपको पता नहीं है. Please tell me.
Okay, cash credit account is this account is similar as a current account. So bank not paying interest on the current cash credit account, cash current account.
No, no, sorry. You don't know. Cash credit account का मतलब ये है a limit overdraft, like overdraft, a limit is given to be drawn by him against the security of goods in the shop. He
Okay,
will be submitting stock statement every month, and based on verification, then the drawing power will be arrived. ये सबका बाद में आप पढ़ना है जी.
sir, it is similar like as OD facility, overdraft
Oh,
facility.
yeah, overdraft facility is one where the security is property, but here
Okay,
security is the goods.
okay, sir.
Security is the goods. So इसका बारे में आप नहीं जानते हैं. बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है. Key cash credit, open cash credit, then Kisan credit card, then tractor loan, then SHG group loan, then housing loan
Okay.
finance. ये सब का बारे में
Hmm.
आपको डिटेल्स क्लियरली पढ़ाना है. यू आर रियली लकी. आपको इंटरव्यू ओनली 18 तारीख है. बहुत कुछ टाइम है. आप अच्छा से प्रिपेयर कर लो.
Yes, sir, definitely.
आपको
मैं
प्रिपरेशन
करता हूँ.
ठीक नहीं है. इसको रख के हम लोग जीत नहीं पाएंगे. वी वोंट बी एबल टू विन.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
ओके.
sir.
या. So I'm not discouraging you, but still, or
Yes, sir.
yeah. Mm, in an enhancement proposal, the sales have reduced and profits are decreased. Will you recommend it positively since there is a takeover threat from other banks and the branch wishes to retain the account with you? What do you do to recommend the proposal positively? Tell me. आपको
If account is
इन्होंने
yes हिंदी में.
ये तो कैश क्रेडिट अकाउंट है. जिस अकाउंट में जब
Okay,
रेन्यूअल के लिए आते हैं तब उसको देख रहे
okay,
हैं. उनका सेल्स कम हो गया, प्रॉफिट भी कम हो गया. अभी इस प्रपोजल को आप रेकमेंड करेंगे रेन्यूअल के लिए क्योंकि ब्रांच ने चाहते हैं ये अकाउंट रिन्यू होना है. कोई दूसरा बैंक तो ये लेने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो
okay. तो सर
तो
अभी जो
प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस बताओ.
yes, okay. तो इफ सपोज सर कैश क्रेडिट का इफ सपोज सेल्स भी कम हो गया तो रिन्यू करेंगे क्योंकि वो इफ सपोज जो कस्टमर को क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी देंगे उससे ही तो बैंक को अर्निंग होगा इफ सपोज
बट
वो यूज करेगा तो.
I think you may have to give a better explanation. I will try to find out the reasons for decline in sales, and I will ascertain
Okay,
whether there is possibility for increase in sales and increase in profit.
okay,
And after getting
okay,
insured, then I will go for renewal.
okay. ऐसा आंसर देना उनको.
Correct?
यस सर.
हाँ जी. आपको रेशियो एनालिसिस के बारे में कुछ याद है?
यस सर. करंट रेशियो, डेब्ट इक्विटी रेशियो.
What are the benchmark ratios? that are important in respect of overdraft account, cash credit accounts, term loan accounts in your bank norms? What are the
benchmark is
benchmark ratios? किस किस रेशियो के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहे हैं?
DSCR.
ओके,
DSCR is your debt equity ratio.
ओके,
Yes, sir. Two
दैट्स
ratios
ऑल.
are important in bank.
और भी अच्छा बोलना है जी,
And current
प्लीज.
ratio.
हम्म,
And current ratio. Current
हम्म,
current
हम्म,
ROE ratio something.
हम्म. Not sufficient और अच्छा पढ़ना है. What is the advance figure
Okay,
of
sir.
Union Bank of India as on date?
The advance figure of Indian Bank is 9.5 lakh crore.
Very good. How do you verify the due diligence in a credit proposal received at your end?
Sir,
How?
checking. I'm checking in currently I'm the appraisal file. I'm checking this customer KYC, income documents. Income document we are checking salary slip. If salaried person, if we are checking salary slip of the income the last 6 month banking. And if self-employed, then we get ITR and last
Hmm,
6 month bank statement. Also,
hmm,
we check CIBIL report of the customer. In CIBIL report, we get to know the customer past credit history, credit worthiness, past credit existing, how customer performing the existing loans. We are checking repayment track of the customers. In civil reports, all the existing loans tracks is available in there. And
hmm.
and we are calculating income of the customer.
Hmm.
Then we are propose the PL application and
How
consider
many
on that basis we are
how many years of credit experience you have
total. I have 6 years of experience, sir.
in credit?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
बढ़िया.
good, 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 excellent. Now, why should I not select you? आपने कुछ reasons बता सकते हैं हमको? ये reason का वजह से हम आपको select नहीं करना चाहिए.
Because I am not yet prepared, sir. This is the reason, part.
Excellent, excellent. What is your age, Baba?
28.
शादी हो गया?
हाँ.
No, sir, no.
क्यों नहीं हुआ?
नहीं सर, करना है.
करना है जरूर. तो एक बैंक
Yes,
में
yes.
काम हो गया. बैंक में बहुत लड़की आता है, बहुत लोग आते हैं, उसमें से एक नहीं पकड़ सकते हैं, नहीं मैनेज कर सकते हैं. वो तो आप कैसे हमारा कस्टमर को अट्रैक्ट
नहीं नहीं
करेगा
सर,
बताओ.
गवर्नमेंट पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक में जॉब करना है, उसके बाद ही शादी करूंगा इसमें.
अच्छा, ठीक. उसमें क्या मैंने जॉब सिक्योरिटी चाहते हैं, करेक्ट?
यस सर. यस यस सर.
बट देर आर वेरी मेनी कपल्स. एच डी एफ सी, IDBI बैंक, HDFC, ICICI बैंक, बहुत कपल्स.
Yes, sir. In private sector, we have a lot of opportunities, but there is no job security in
Opportunity.
private sector.
करेक्ट. Anyhow, best wishes. This is only your first interview. आपने बहुत कुछ पढ़ना
Yes,
है,
sir.
बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है,
Yes, sir.
पढ़ने के बाद में आना है. Best wishes. God bless you.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
I
Thank you so
I
much.
appreciate your taking the interview. But आपने क्यों इतना देरी से आया मेरे साथ?
सर मैं अभी एक बिफोर 4 days ज्वाइन किया एक ग्रुप.
भैया 4 दिन पहले आ गया आपने.
तो मैं
तब तो बढ़िया है.
यस सर.